woke up this morning at 6 o'clock and it was rough. And then I put my gym clothes on and now I'm gonna go for a run. And I look like a toe. But I wanted to do a day in my life today because apparently I like YouTube again. So we're gonna do that. But now I'm gonna go for a run and then I'll be back and we'll carry on. I just got back from a run and it was like really good, which doesn't happen all that often. So I'm happy about that. And now I'm going to have some water and my greens shot and then make a snack and then shower because I'm gross. But I wanted to do a day in my life today because I don't know, I feel like I like YouTube again. So I wanted to try and do that. So we'll see how today goes, but I'm gonna just kind of take you guys along on my day. And so I have a DSLR camera, which is really heavy. But that's like what I have other than my phone. So unless I'm like out and about, I'll be using this. But if I go out and about, like I'm gonna bring my phone because this is a monster and it's heavy and my arm already hurts. But yeah, just got back from my run, going to drink my green shot and have a snack, maybe like probably a protein shake because that sounds good. And then I'll check back in with you guys in a little bit. Also for my green shot, I'm doing the Arbonne 30 Days to Healthy Living Challenge. And so I do a scoop of our greens balance and then one of the Digestion Plus sticks, which these are probiotics, prebiotics, and digestive enzymes. And then I mix it up and then I literally just chug it like a little shot. So I do this every morning and I like it. It makes me feel better, and this helps a lot with bloat and like just gut health in general. So big fan of this. Okay, I'm showered. I feel better, no longer gross. I'm going to put some makeup on. So I figured I would just kind of like zoom through it, do a little montage. So here we go with that. Face is done. I just did like a little bit of makeup just to look a little more put together for today. So I don't really know. I have eyelash extensions, but they're like pretty much gone. So they're looking a little tragic, but that's okay. Okay, I'm gonna go look at my to-do list for the day and see what I'm gonna do now. I know I have like a lot on it, so we'll see. But anyway, just wanted to show you my like everyday makeup. It's pretty easy. And my eyebrows were not cooperating today, so they're a little not cute, but that's okay. Hey guys, I'm gonna go upstairs and work on my disaster of a closet. And I'm like getting rid of a bunch of stuff and putting stuff on Poshmark and all the things. So that's the agenda. Our house like definitely isn't where I want it to be yet, but like a bunch of stuff on the floor that I'm like going through, and I have like a pile that I'm gonna give away. I already posted some on Poshmark, and then some can go to like Goodwill and stuff. But yeah, I'm just like going through it. There's like stuff literally everywhere. My shoes are up there, which I don't really like. But yeah, we're getting there. My wedding dress is here and I don't know what to do with it. So yeah, it's a work in progress, but We're gonna just, you know, start working on that. Oh, sorry. Start working on that, and yeah, I'm gonna just like go through stuff and see if I can get rid of a few more things. So that's my plan. Hello everyone. Currently going to the post office and Target because obviously I need to mail our thank you cards from our wedding, and I need to get a bunch of groceries. So that's what's going on. So I'm just gonna drive there, and yeah, that's the plan. So talk to you guys when I get to either one. Okay, bye. Ooh. Thank you cards. It was very tedious stamping 50 stamps, and it always amazes me how expensive the stamps are, but we got it done. And now I need to go to Target and buy groceries so I can eat. But yeah, I'm glad I got that done because I've been writing those forever because I had so many and I hand wrote all of them. So yeah. Cheese, and Target literally doesn't have any. Like, I've been in this aisle for 10 years and I can't find any. So things are going good. Real good.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Mambo number 5. Everybody in the car, so come on, let's ride to the liquor store around the corner. The boys say they want some gin and juice, but I really don't wanna. On the couches, turning clubs into houses, water to champagne fountains.
So I have my camera up on my dashboard at the moment, and I'm just driving along with it. But like, it's funny because I feel like in Florida a lot more people vlog than in like Maine, where if I had this on my dashboard everybody would be like, are you okay? So I feel like it's a little less weird here, but people still think it's probably weird. Okay, I'm back from grocery shopping and I got a whole bunch of stuff and I'm pumped. I'm going to be doing a what I eat in a day on my Instagram, probably this week, and I'll just be like talking about what I've been eating on my 30-day challenge, and all that, and I'll do like a day of like recipes and what I eat and stuff, because I really like this challenge and I feel much better, and it's like very reasonable to purchase all of it, and like it's a very like sustainable lifestyle for like even after the 30 days is done. So I like it and I feel really good, and it's like fun because it's a different way to like it's a different way to eat for me. Like I wasn't really focusing much on like what I was eating. I mean, I sort of ate healthy sometimes, like it would come and go, but then I would go through phases where all I would eat was Kraft mac and cheese, and like that's it. Like not good like nutritional food. So like doing this program and like trying all these new recipes and like finding adjustments for things that are better for me it's fun. So definitely having fun with that. Target was kind of a disaster. They're like restocking, I think, like because there was no dairy-free cheese. Could not find the pizza crust that I wanted for the life of me, and I was gonna make a pizza, like a compliant pizza, and I can't because I couldn't find anything. But I still might make it this week, but I just couldn't find all the stuff today, which is fine. And then, but yeah, it was good. It was busy, and they were like restocking all of the shelves, so it was like trying to get around people was a pain in the butt, but that's okay. So I'm gonna put all this stuff away and yeah, go from there. Okay, so I've edited the vlog up to this point, and I think I'm probably gonna end it now because all I'm gonna do the rest of the night is go make some food and upload this and probably watch Grey's Anatomy. So like nothing riveting. But this was super fun, and I haven't done like a day in the life in years, just like everything else on here, and I watched my days in the life actually like yesterday because I was rewatching all my old YouTube videos, and it was it's cringeworthy. So go back and watch those if you'd like a good laugh. But this was, yeah, it was super fun. I definitely want to do more of these, and like just, I don't know, like I find it very fun to like document my life, and even if I don't do anything, like it's still fun. And then it's super fun to like have these videos and then be able to like go look back on them and see like what you were doing at that time and all that jazz. So like even my old videos that are embarrassing, I like watching them because it like is a good memory. So yeah, but anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up and go ahead and comment on anything else you would like to see from me, because inspo is always appreciated. And go ahead and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram because like I said, I'm super active on there. I'm always on there. And yeah, okay, I'll probably do another one of these soon because it was fun. But yeah, I hope you guys have a great night and see you later.